The buzz around Elon Musk's $6,789 tiny house is impossible to ignore. Imagine a home so compact, affordable, and innovative that it could completely transform the housing market. Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity, is now setting his sights on one of the biggest challenges in America: affordable housing. With home prices skyrocketing and wages lagging behind, many find it harder than ever to own a home. But Musk's latest project may offer a revolutionary solution. Let's dive deep into this futuristic tiny house, its features, its affordability, and whether it could truly reshape home ownership as we know it. Elon Musk has changed the game in multiple industries: electric cars, space travel, and sustainable energy. Now, he's focusing on affordable housing. His vision is clear: homes that are not only cost-effective, but also sustainable, modular, and suited for modern living. He has partnered with Boxabl, a company specializing in modular and foldable homes, to create a compact, eco-friendly design that could appeal to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a first-time homeowner, someone looking to downsize, or an eco-conscious renter, this tiny house could be the perfect fit. But what exactly does $6,789 get you? Despite its compact size, just 375 square feet, this home is designed with maximum efficiency in mind. The space is thoughtfully utilized with multifunctional furniture, including seating that doubles as storage. The kitchen is small but well-equipped, featuring a 2-burner induction cooktop, an energy-efficient refrigerator, and a high-quality stainless steel sink. The bathroom has a full-sized shower with water-saving fixtures, a space-saving toilet, and a sleek sink, all designed to balance efficiency with comfort. What makes this home stand out is how comfortable and stylish it remains despite its size. It's designed for people who want to live simply, but don't want to compromise on modern conveniences. In addition to the functional interior, the exterior of the home is designed to be sleek, durable, and weather-resistant. It uses high-quality materials that ensure longevity while maintaining an aesthetic appeal. This home is not just about affordability. It's about creating a comfortable and efficient living space that meets the needs of modern homeowners. Musk's tiny house is built with sustainability in mind. High-performance insulation, rated at R24 in the walls and R40 in the roof, ensures that heating and cooling costs remain low. Optional solar panels can further reduce energy bills and allow homeowners to live off the grid. Given today's rising energy costs, this could be a game-changer for affordable housing. One of the most exciting aspects of this home is its rapid setup. The entire structure arrives folded in an 8-foot wide package and expands to its full 375 square foot layout on site. With a professional team handling installation, it can be fully livable within just 24 hours. Compare this to the months it takes to construct a traditional home, and you can see why this is revolutionary. Unlike conventional construction, which requires extensive labor and materials, this approach minimizes waste and streamlines the building process, making it a truly eco-friendly alternative. One major advantage of Musk's tiny house is the level of customization available. Buyers can choose from various materials, cabinetry, and finishes to make their tiny home feel uniquely theirs. This isn't just a prefabricated box. It's a space you can personalize to match your lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. Additional customization options include smart home features, such as voice-controlled lighting, security systems, and energy-efficient appliances. These add-ons enhance convenience and bring cutting-edge technology into affordable housing. Now, let's talk numbers. The base price of $6,789 covers the core structure, but additional features and upgrades can raise the total cost. For example, adding solar panels could cost between $4,000 and $8,000, while premium finishes and cabinetry upgrades could add $3,000 to $11,000. Another factor to consider is land. The tiny house doesn't come with land, which means buyers will need to purchase or lease a space for it. In rural areas, land can cost as little as $3,000 per acre, But in urban areas, prices can soar past $100,000 for a small plot. Additionally, utility connections can add another $1,500 to $5,000 to the total cost. And let's not forget delivery costs. Transporting the home can range from $500 to $2,000, depending on distance. Even with these additional costs, Musk's tiny house remains one of the most affordable homeownership options available today. With the average mortgage exceeding $1,500 per month, a tiny home could significantly lower monthly expenses, making homeownership a reality for many. Homeowners can also save on maintenance costs, as the smaller size means less upkeep and fewer repairs compared to a traditional house. This could make it an attractive option for retirees, young professionals, and those looking to escape the burden of excessive housing expenses. Of course, no revolutionary idea comes without challenges. One of the biggest hurdles for tiny home buyers is zoning laws. Many cities have strict regulations regarding what types of homes can be placed in certain areas. Some municipalities don't allow tiny homes at all, making it difficult for potential buyers to find a suitable location. Local governments need to revisit outdated housing laws to accommodate the growing demand for alternative housing solutions. Financing is another obstacle. Traditional mortgage lenders are structured around conventional homes, making it harder for tiny home buyers to secure a loan. While alternative financing solutions are emerging, this remains a key issue for the industry. Some banks and lenders are starting to offer micromortgages and alternative funding solutions for tiny home buyers, but wider acceptance is still needed. Despite these challenges, the potential impact of Musk's tiny house cannot be ignored. With housing affordability becoming a growing crisis, innovative solutions like this could provide a sustainable path forward. If regulations adapt and financing options improve, we could see a massive shift toward tiny home living in the future. This could be the beginning of a larger movement towards minimalist, eco-conscious living that prioritizes efficiency over excess. So, what do you think? Would you consider living in a $6,789 tiny house? Is this the future of homeownership? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more groundbreaking updates on the future of housing.